Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, ma'am. My name is Ainesi Ibanez, 31 years old. I am married. I have two kids, one daughter, one son. My daughter is 10 years old. My son is 4 years old. I am 4 years course graduate, taking up Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have three brothers and one sister, and I am middle.
Where do you live?
I live at Barangay Tambis, Balongkon, Leyte.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, responsible, and patient.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
To help my husband financially and to support my
Your kids.
kids.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have work experience in Philippines for 5 years. For 5 years, I do my household chores like cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and car wash car.
Are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I will be attentive, be the patient to children, and will talk to them in calm and compassionate manners.
And you will encourage them by?
Drawing, singing, and
Okay.
that's it.
How about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check maybe the baby is hungry. I will feed her with milk. If the baby's diaper is dirty or full, I will change it. If the baby is sick, I will inform the employer immediately.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy and do my chores with my employers.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
No, ma'am.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino food like sinigang, adobo, and tinolang manok, and I'm willing to learn cook to other countries.
Chinese cooking. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing for me a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
No, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your message? What is your final message to your future employer abroad?
To my dearest employer, please hire me because I'm responsible, hardworking, and taking care of your child. And I promise I finish my 2 years course